Welcome to Financial Creatives. In today's video, I'll share with you on how to make passive income or passive income ideas with little money. We all want it someday: a beautiful house, the latest car model, a glamorous wedding, a comfortable retirement, just to mention a few wants without having to work our fingers to the bone. But with a 9-to-5 paycheck job, it all seems nothing but a dream. As Warren Buffett says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. These wise words should startle you from your slumber. So, how can you turn the dream into reality with less energy? The answer is finding ways to make passive income, and fortunately, I am here to inspire you. Whether you are finding it hard to pay bills, not having enough to save, or staying without a job, I have been through it all. So I write to you something from personal experiences. But before I can take you through the various passive income ideas, let us first understand what passive income is. What is passive income? Passive income is something that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. You continue to get paid after the work is done compared to active income, where you need to work every day for it. Yes, you can make money while sleeping, but you have to do intensive work or invest in something beforehand before you start enjoying the passive fruits, and that is where I come in. I'll suggest 10 passive income ideas that will help you to get closer to becoming financially independent. Simply put, my ideas should help you generate income through multiple streams without having to succumb to the demands of 9-to-5 jobs. But before then, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get informed every time I publish a new video. Number 1. Blogging. Blogging is all about writing educative and exciting content. Mostly, it is about sharing your opinions, sometimes something that anyone can do with the right guide. Speaking of the right guide, I'll leave a link to a detailed guide for beginner bloggers that you can use to build a profitable blog in the description below. Additionally, you can check my favorite blogging course from Income School to learn a few things about monetizing your blog. I get most of my ideas from the training, and so you should consider signing up. But how exactly do you make money on your blog? And how much can you make? There are so many ways, but these are the most popular: paid ads, affiliate marketing, product sales, selling courses, sponsored posts, etc. In terms of estimation, you can make anything between $0 to $10,000. It all depends on the content you create, the promotion effort, and your monetization strategy. Are you willing to give blogging a chance? Then you can use Bluehost for domain registration and hosting service. It will cost only $3.95 a month for the hosting, and you get your domain name for free. Check this fair offer in the description below. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the act of promoting a given product or service to your readership using special links called affiliate links. In most cases, you earn on a pay-per-scale (PPS) basis, where a person who clicks on your affiliate link ends up making a purchase and you get a commission for that. But still, you may also earn on a pay-per-click (PPC) basis, where the site visitor only needs to click on your affiliate link for you to make money. Mostly, affiliate links work well on blog posts, YouTube channels where you recommend products to your readers and viewers. But still, you can use the links on social media and emails. If you are wondering how to make passive income as an affiliate marketer, consider signing up for these affiliate programs: Amazon Associates, Share Sale, ClickBank, CJ Affiliates, eBay Partners. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. Alongside blogging, YouTube is one of my best ideas for making passive income. But unlike blogging, there aren't as many YouTube channels like blog posts. Thus, there is a high chance of finding a sizable audience for your videos. How do I make money on my YouTube channel? Just like a blog, you can get money from YouTube by placing AdSense ads, sponsorship deals, selling online courses, promoting your business, affiliate marketing, and selling info and physical products. All you need is to provide absolute value to your audience through consistent content creation. Number 4. Sell online ebook. If you are a blogger, it should be easy to write an ebook. The idea is also easier for novelists and those who enjoy writing travel guides, cookbooks, and personal journals. An ebook is just a regular book in an electronic or digital format, so its form allows your readership to download it. But did you know that you can earn passive income when readers download your ebook? Yes, that is possible with Amazon Kindle. The self-publishing Amazon service allows you to publish your ebook for free. And within 5 minutes, your ebook becomes available on Kindle stores globally. What's more, you retain the copyright and get to receive up to 70% royalties. Number 5. Sell audiobooks online. Instead of writing an ebook, how about you narrate your story? That is what an audiobook is all about. And you can sell it online for some good cash. So where can you sell it? Sound is a good starting point. The website allows you to sell your audiobook directly to listeners, and you get to keep 80% of the sale. You can also try selling on Amazon through the Amazon Education Publishing Network. The network allows you to create and publish your audiobook for free and distribute it among Amazon customers. Amazon then pays you 40% royalties. Number 6. Buy REITs or real estate investment trusts or shares. REITs refer to companies that finance, own, and operate income-generating real estate. Such companies provide you with the opportunity to buy real estate shares and get to earn dividends-based passive income. Investing in REITs is more like investing in other company stocks or ETF, exchange-traded fund. In this case, you earn dividends proportional to your investment. According to REIT.com, nearly 87 million US investors own REIT shares. So, you shouldn't hesitate to do it. Some of the best REITs to invest in today are retail REITs, historical returns REITs, healthcare REITs, mortgage REITs, and residential REITs. Number 7. Sign up for a high-yield savings account. No doubt, putting your money in a savings account secures your financial future. But still, doing so can also secure your financial present if your savings account can earn you interest. I'm suggesting you go for high-yield accounts as they offer you zero-risk high returns. Typically, high-yield savings accounts pay as much as 20 to 25% of the yields of traditional savings accounts. Where can you find these accounts? You can get such accounts at your local bank, but online lenders offer the most significant returns. Number 8. Invest in property crowdfunding or real estate crowdfunding. Do you wish to invest in real estate but are not comfortable with directly holding a property? Then you should consider property crowdfunding. Here, you would loan your money to someone, a landlord or an entity, a corporation, for them to buy a real estate property. They would, in turn, pay you interests at regular intervals, and this will mean a passive income stream. Are you wondering how to make passive income online through property crowdfunding? Consider visiting these real estate crowdfunding platforms: Roofstock, Fundrise, Reality Shares, Reality Mogul. The advantage of real estate crowdfunding is that you can spread your investment across uncorrelated property returns to reduce possible risks. Number 9. Rent out an extra room. Most people prefer to rent spaces in actual homes as opposed to hotels and guest houses. For some, homes are cheaper. For others, homes offer them an ambience that is similar to what they are used to. So if you have an extra room or apartment that you hardly use, it is a lucrative idea to list it on Airbnb or VRBO for renting out. These two sites are perfect passive income opportunities for homeowners, with most homeowners making between $500 and $1,000 per room per month. You can never earn money easier than this way. Mark you, it's passive since you don't even have to provide the guests with food or personal effects. Number 10. Sell stock images online. If you are passionate about photography, you shouldn't let your talent go to waste. All you have to do to make money is to take a few stunning and inspiring photos and upload them on stock image sites. One of the best is 500px, where you receive 70% of every license that is sold. Some photographers make as much as $250 per license on site. Another place you can earn passively by selling stock images is Shutterstock. You can make up to $100 per image download and receive 20% commission from direct referrals. You should also consider iStock Photo, where you can get up to 45% royalties. Generally, selling images to stock photo sites is among the best ways to make passive income without investing much. You only need a good camera, of which your smartphone can do. I know this video was exciting and you loved it. I'll be happy if you like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos